Hey, what's up car enthusiasts? Welcome back to Car Expert, your trusted source for in-depth car reviews and expert insights. Today, we're diving into an MPV that's winning the hearts of Indian families, the Kia Carens. Known for its spacious interior, advanced tech features, and bold styling, the Carens is a top choice for anyone looking for comfort and versatility in a family car. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Kia Carens a standout in the Indian MPV market. Body, exterior design. The 2025 Kia Carens has a bold, premium design that combines the practicality of an MPV with Kia's modern styling. Up front, the Carens features Kia's Tiger nose grille with a unique chrome pattern, giving it a sleek yet strong look. The LED headlamps and LED DRLs, daytime running lights, provide a sharp and modern lighting profile. The side profile showcases smooth character lines and 16-inch alloy wheels, adding a sophisticated look that's both stylish and functional. At the rear, you'll find LED tail lights with a distinct design, a sporty rear spoiler, and a robust bumper that completes the look. With its bold styling and elegant lines, the Kia Carens stands out as a practical yet stylish MPV. Outro. So, what do you think of the 2025 Kia Carens? With its stylish design, family-friendly interior, top-notch safety features, and advanced technology, the Carens is an excellent choice for those looking for a comfortable and reliable MPV. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a tech lover, or someone who values spaciousness, the Kia Carens has something to offer. Let us know in the comments if the Kia Carens is the right MPV for your family. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.